today's video, I'll be showing you the best way to clean your car battery. The first thing you want to do is to remove the battery bracket. Your car might have a battery cover, so this is the right time to remove the battery cover so you can gain access into the actual battery. When dealing with car batteries, always disconnect the negative first, and when installing it, you install the negative last. The next step is to use a 3/8 wrench to loosen the negative terminal clamp. Keep in mind that your terminal clamp nut might have a different size, so use the correct size to loosen the nut. Secure the clamp away from the car battery. This should be done carefully because you don't want the terminal to be touching any part of the car. This is very important. Now that the negative terminal has been removed and secured, now we can loosen and remove the positive terminal clamp. I'm using an adjustable wrench for the positive terminal. I find this more convenient for this purpose. If you need this tool, I have a link in the description below for all the tools and parts I use. The next thing is to secure the positive terminal clamp away from the battery. Make sure this doesn't touch any part of the car. Add very little water to a dry cloth and use it to wipe the battery head thoroughly. If you want to go a bit further with the cleaning, you can remove the actual battery and clean the tray where it sits on. The next thing you want to do is use a wire brush to clean the battery terminal clamps. Next thing you want to do is to vacuum the battery compartment, and if you can remove the compartment or tray, you can just remove it and empty the dirt. Just a reminder to subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to the tools used in this video are all in the description below. After that is done, return the tray back to its position. Now you can put the battery back in position. Make sure you pay attention to the direction where you're putting it. Make sure the positive terminal is towards the positive clamp and the negative terminal towards the negative clamp. If you don't know which is the negative or positive terminal, look towards the battery head. It's always indicated there. You see a positive sign, which means that's the positive terminal, and the negative sign, which shows the negative terminal side. Now you can install and tighten the positive terminal first. Remember, always install the positive terminal first. This is very important. Once the positive terminal is in place, now you can install the negative terminal clamp. Once you tighten these clamps, make sure you check it and make sure it doesn't move, because it should be firmly tightened. Once that is done, now you can install the battery bracket. Once you're done with that, start the car up and let it run for 5 minutes, and that's it. You're good to go. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.